Hello po and welcome back sa Pauko Sports. Pag-usapan po natin itong kakatapos lang na FIBA Olympic Qualifying Tournament draw. Dito po makikita po natin kung saan po tayo nailagay na group at sino po yung mga kalaban natin. At may mga nagsabi na, well sir, huwag tayong mawalan ng pag-asa. At may nagsabi rin na hindi maganda yung groupings natin. Pero meron ba talagang magandang groupings dito sa Olympic Qualifying Tournament? At bakit nagiging neg ka, Pau Salud? Now, pag-usapan po natin ano po yung pakiramdam ko at what can we do now na alam na natin kung saan tayo lalaro, sino yung mga kalaban natin, at ano ba talaga yung chances ng Pilipinas dyan? Dapat ba talaga tayong umasa pa o wag na lang? Pag-usapan po natin yan.
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This content is presented by Arena Plus, Astigsa Sports.
Bilang isang bansa na mahilig sa basketball, of course may mga comment na wag na lang sumali dyan, wala naman tayong pag-asa dyan, pero sa tingin ko po personally, I would like to say this kailangan pa rin natin sumali kahit na mukhang malabo talaga tayong manalo. If you're talking about the real talk, let me go ahead and show you this one. So nakikita mo dyan, Group A, Slovenia, New Zealand, Croatia, Egypt, Greece, Dominican Republic. They're all gonna be playing in Greece. Ang Pilipinas po nakasama po sa group po sa Latvia. So yung Georgia, yung Latvia, nako delikado na agad. Brazil, Cameroon at saka Montenegro. I believe it's Montenegro sa Latvia. Tapos sa Puerto Rico naman, Mexico, ano ba tong Coast Ivory, Lithuania, Italy, Puerto Rico, Bahrain sa Puerto Rico, and then group sa Spain naman, Lebanon, Angola, Spain, Finland, Poland at Bahamas. At ito po yung artikulo na yan. So dito ko po siya nakita, si Louis Deng, ginanap po siya noong November 27 dun sa nakalagay dito, nakalagay dito yan Patrick Baumann House of Basketball sa Switzerland. So, ito po ulit, So, dito tayo napasama. So, maraming mga nagsasabi, sa ano pang gagawin natin dyan? Mananalo pa tayo. Actually, mas madali talagang makakuha ng slot sana dun sa World Cup kasi you just have to be the best Asian finisher. Kaya nakuha ng Japan. Dito, walang Asia dito. So, everyone, Royal Rumble. Ang problema, we're the only Asian team here. We got European teams. We got African team, Cameroon. And South American team. Puro matitindi lahat. Sa tingin mo, makaisa ba tayo dito? Siguro sa akin po, bilang isang fan nga, we should still join. And in fact, I still believe that we should focus on really practicing and training for this. Ano ba namang mawawala pa? And the thing is, alam natin na mahirap ito, pero pag wala na naman tayong preparation, yung mema na lang, mema-send lang tayo, talagang wala. So I don't know kung how committed we are with this. Dito natin malalaman. Kasi the process is not gonna be quick. Kailangan talaga magsimula tayo sa baba. So I feel that kahit na parang walang pag-asa, we should start already focusing on this one and getting the best young players to play again using for the learning experience. Now sa mga fans, don't expect anything. Sa totoo lang, do not expect. If we win one, good, but we're not gonna get the Olympics. Not this time. Maybe next time. But yung Olympics talaga, mahirap talaga yan. Lalo na pag ganitong situation. So, next year po yan. Next year po ang tournament. So, I don't know what we're doing already, but we need to have young guys. Yun lang masasabi ko. But don't expect to win. But still, 100% support tayo sa ating Gilas Pilipinas. Ang goal lang siguro po natin dito is to be able to be competitive. This is where the learning process and just be competitive should come in. Don't expect to win, but be competitive. Ayaw naman natin ang punto tayo doon, magpapatambak lang tayo, ba't pa tayo sasali? So, if we're gonna join there, just for the sake of it, wag na tayo sumali. If we're gonna join there, but just be competitive, try to win. Again, kumbaga, yung sinasabi ko lang, we try to win, but as a fan, let's give our Gilas Pilipinas a break. It's not an easy task. It's a very tall task. So, what do you think, guys? In your point of view, how do we approach this? Sino ba yung magpadala ba tayo ng PBA players dito? Malamang hindi. College players, dapat yung mga pool talaga eh. Anyway, just wanted to share this with you. Just wanted to share my sentiments. But certainly, abangan pa rin natin itong mga Pilipino. Kasi syempre, basketball eh. Talagang suporta tayo dyan. Anyway, let me know. Tsaka yung coach, hindi pa rin natin alam. Dapat ma-identify na yan. Start of the year siguro. Pag medyo lumawag-lawag na ulit yung PBA. Kasi sila pa rin naman ang nag-aasikaso nito eh. Let me know what you think in the comment section.